All right, in this video, I'm going to help you with your different Delta math you have to do today. It's under one assignment, but I have, you have 3 different sections, okay? So I'm going to do probably one from each, okay? And hope that helps you guys out, all right? So let's do this one first, okay? So it wants to know which equation choice could represent the graph shown below. So this is a multiple choice question, okay? And it wants to know which one could represent it. So what I would do is I would just go ahead and write the equation myself and see which one it is, okay? So, got it snipped. So first, step 1 is to get your roots. Well, my root, I only have 1, and it's x equals -4. So when we write that, it's going to be x plus 4. Now, see how it touches? It touches, so that means it should be a squared. It ends pointing up, so that's positive. Now, I don't see anyone with squared. But doesn't this 2 just mean that I have 2 of these? So I could write it x plus 4, x plus 4. So my answer would be, which one? D. Okay, so my answer would be D. I might do another one of these. They weren't so bad. Let's do another one, okay? Oh, this is a good one. Good one, good one. All right, let's exit that. Let's get another snip, snip. Snip, snip. All right, so I would do what I just did. I would get all my roots, and I would go from there, okay, and find your answer. So I have a root at -7 and at 6. So x equals -7 and x equals 6. Write it in factored form. X plus 7, x minus 6. It touches at -7, so that gets a squared, and it crosses at 6, so I leave it alone. Now remember that 2, also, it ends pointing up, so we don't have to worry about the plus or minus because it's already a plus. But this 2 means there are 2 of these. So I'm going to say x plus 7 times x plus 7 times x minus 6. I know y'all are screaming at home because you already figured out which one it is. It's going to be A. Okay? Go back. It is A. Submit. All right. Let's go to the next section. Here's the next section. So again, it's going to be a multiple choice one, okay? So we're going to snip this. So it's the same thing, except this one doesn't split your squares. It keeps it with the multiplicity, okay? So it's the same concept. I'm just showing you that you can write it 2 different ways, all right? So we get our roots, all right? So you got to circle your roots. So my roots are -1 and 5. So I'm going to write it out. X plus 1, x minus 5. It crosses at 1, so I leave that multiplicity alone. It touches at 5, so I'm going to change that to a 2. And so my answer is going to be D. So this one just keeps the multiplicities. You don't have to break them up, okay? So this one is D. All right. Let's do another one. The only reason I said 1 is because I wanted to keep the video time down, because you've already watched one long video. Not long. All right, let's do another one. And then we got one more section left. Here we go. Get your zeros, okay? So I spend more time choosing a color. -7 and 3. Okay, write them out. X plus 7, x minus 3. Y'all have already figured out the answer, hadn't you? It touches, so both of these get a 2. Who is it? It is going to be this one. I feel like I'm on one of those cartoons where they pause for you to answer, you know, when you were little or your little siblings watch. And they're like, what color is the pencil? And they give you a minute. That's what I feel like when I make these videos for y'all. And we're good. All right. All right, guys. So that is it. You're going to just do the 2 instead of the 3. Okay, so I hope this helped you guys.